Learn English to Gujarati time words. Then, after that, before, first, later, same, immediately, and
ક્યારેક.
welcome to time travel, but with snacks. Hey, you're about to learn some super useful Gujarati time words, and yes, we will do it without becoming boring grammar furniture. Get ready to laugh a little and remember a lot. Imagine you are in a very chaotic kitchen. You must cook, talk, run, wait, and somehow not burn the bread. So you need time words. In Gujarati, first is
પ્રથમ.
then is
પછી.
after that is
તે પછી.
before is
પહેલા.
later is also often
પછી.
depending on context. Same is
સરખું.
immediately is
તરત.
and sometime is.
ક્યારેક.
Look at you already sounding clever. Your mission today. You do not need to memorize everything at once. Just follow the story, repeat the words, and let your brain do its sneaky little magic. Say it with me. First.
પ્રથમ.
Then.
પછી.
After that.
તે પછી.
Now the earlier word, before.
પહેલા.
And the future-ish word, later.
પછી.
Now two wild cards. Same.
સરખું.
Immediately.
તરત. ક્યારેક.
Sometime. A very serious story about tea. Let us learn with a tiny story. It has tea, panic, and questionable life choices, so basically it is educational gold. Reena wanted tea.
પ્રથમ.
She boiled water.
પછી.
She added tea leaves.
તે પછી.
She added milk and sugar. But
પહેલા.
she could drink it, her friend shouted, "Come."
તરત.
The cat is in the snack box. So Reena said, "Fine, I will drink the tea."
પછી.
Quote. When she came back, her cup and her friend's cup looked exactly.
સરખું.
Nobody knew which tea was whose. They decided they would solve the mystery.
ક્યારેક.
Probably not today. Maybe after a nap. Quick meaning drill. Now you know the words from the story. Let us lock them in with some short, punchy examples. First, wash your hands. In Gujarati, first is
પ્રથમ.
finish your homework, then go outside. Then is
પછી.
we ate, and after that we walked. After that is
તે પછી.
think before you speak. Before is
પહેલા.
I will call you later. Later is
પછી.
these two shirts are the same. Same is
સરખું.
come immediately. Immediately is
તરત.
let us meet sometime next week. Sometime is
ક્યારેક.
tiny dialogue, maximum drama. Here comes a mini dialogue. Picture two friends, one plan, and absolutely no agreement about timing. A. What do we do?
પ્રથમ.
B. Eat. A. And
પછી.
B. Study. Sadly. A. And
તે પછી.
B. Rest. A. Should we rest?
પહેલા.
Studying? B. Nice try. A. Can we do it?
પછી.
B. Also nice try. A. Fine. Are our notebooks the
સરખું.
color? B. Yes, which is unhelpful. A. Then let us start.
તરત.
B. Wow. Personal growth. A. Or
ક્યારેક.
B. No. Memory tricks that actually stick. If your brain likes weird images, perfect. Weird images are basically VIP passes to memory. Picture a gold medal for
પ્રથમ.
because first gets the shiny prize. Imagine stepping from one stone to the next for
પછી.
because then comes next. See a bridge labeled
તે પછી.
carrying you after that to the next action. Point behind you for
પહેલા.
because before is earlier. Push a calendar page forward for
પછી.
meaning later. Hold up two matching socks for
સરખું.
meaning same. Snap your fingers for
તરત.
because immediately means no delay. Look at a blurry calendar date for
ક્યારેક.
because sometime is not exact. Quiz time, no cheating with the cat. Let us see what stuck. I ask, you answer. If you get one wrong, just pretend it was a dramatic pause. What is Gujarati for first?
પ્રથમ,
What is Gujarati for then?
પછી,
What is Gujarati for after that?
તે પછી,
What is Gujarati for before?
પહેલા,
What is Gujarati for later?
પછી,
What is Gujarati for same?
સરખું,
What is Gujarati for immediately?
તરત,
What is Gujarati for sometime?
ક્યારેક,
Your speaking challenge. Now it is your turn. Repeat these out loud like you are the star of a tiny language learning movie. Say,
પ્રથમ,
I drink coffee.
પછી,
I become human. Say, I finish work.
તે પછી,
I relax. Say,
પહેલા,
dinner, I study. Say, we can talk.
પછી,
Say, our ideas are.
સરખું,
Say, help me.
તરત,
Say, let us meet.
ક્યારેક,
Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just learned a whole set of Gujarati time and sequence words without falling asleep, which is honestly a win. Today you practiced first.
પ્રથમ,
Then.
પછી,
After that.
તે પછી,
Before.
પહેલા,
Later.
પછી,
Same.
સરખું,
Immediately.
તરત,
And sometime.
ક્યારેક.
Thanks for learning with me. Keep practicing, say the words out loud, use them in your day, and come back for another round.
ક્યારેક.